Namaskar, myself Divyanshu Kumar, student of BSc Mathematical Sciences and coordinator of SPICMAKE Maharaja Agrasen College chapter. I welcome you all to a journey towards your inner self. The biggest trees have the deepest roots. Here at SPICMAKE, Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth, we focus on creating an environment where we can know and love our country better. And with the concept of Nishkam Karma, we can grow to realize our fullest of potentials. In the words of founder Dr. Kiran Seth sir, Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Conversely, there is a law of Nishkam Karma that states that for every action in which there is no embedded expectation, there is a reaction which is far greater than the action. With over a decade of association, SPICMAKE Maharaja Agrasen College chapter continues to be one of the most vibrant chapters, celebrating the vast Indian cultural heritage which our ancestors have left for us and guiding the activities of East Delhi and Noida region. Currently, we are a group of enthusiasts who work and explore in a variety of domains to get the best out of ourselves, from content development, public relations, hospitality, technical and logistics, marketing, report making, graphic designing, research and networking, event management, finance and sponsorships, to a lot more. We consistently thrive to get the best out of this organizational experience. Our biggest accomplishment is that we organized over 15 events in the academic year 2019-20, including an 8-day-long event, Virasat 2020, which was organized by a team of freshers in the minimal of budget, first time in the history of MAC. Working with the same spirit, we consistently thrive for the development of each one of our members and to experience the inspiration and mysticism embodied in Indian and world heritage.
SPICMAKE, Society for Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst you. Hi, this is Kushagra Bharadwaj. I learned a lot of new things such as camaraderie, companionship, the feeling of oneness, leadership skills, and whatnot. These all are things which you not only require when you are in college or you're a student, you require it all through your lifetime.
My name is Naresh. I got to know about the history and the world around me, and when you have seniors who have much more knowledge than you, they can guide you in the right direction. You gain a lot more experience than you would actually yourself do.
I was given the role of event sponsorship manager for SPICMAKE Virasat series. Apart from it, during the event I also worked with the refreshment team.
Society. I was the part of logistics. I was given the role of as a logistic coordinator and a food coordinator as well, and used to
एक 3-day इवेंट वर्कशॉप हैंडल किया था, उसके साथ साथ क्राउड मैनेजमेंट किया था, बैक स्टेज मैनेजमेंट, रिफ्रेशमेंट्स का देखना, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग।
मेरा नाम अतुल कुमार यादव है। मुझे किसी कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए हमें एक टीम की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और उस टीम के अंदर जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं उनके अंदर क्या क्षमता है, क्या कौन सा कार्य वो कर सकते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको कार्य कैसे देना है और किस तरह से टीम को कोऑर्डिनेट करना है और समय पे कार्य करना है, ये सब चीज़ें सीखने को मिली।
If you work for SpeakMake, then you will definitely get a chance to be with artists. Last time I got a chance to be with Pandit Vishwamohan Bhatt and Wasifuddin Dagar ji. I really had a great time with them.
बहुत मज़ा आया था। ये हमें हमारे कल्चर से रूबरू कराता है, जो हमारी संस्कृति है, जो हमने पीछे छोड़ दिया, जो हम लोग को नहीं पता है, वो भी हमें SpeakMake में जानने को मिलता है।
वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स इवेंट के पीछे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिलता है, बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं। इवेंट के आगे जितना हो रहा काम हो रहा होता है उतना ही उससे कहीं ज़्यादा, मैं कहूँगा कि उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उसके पीछे काम चल रहा होता है। हम रात को 7-7 बजे तक कॉलेज रुकते थे कॉलेज की डेकोरेशन के साथ, और अलग ही तरीके का, बहुत ही अलग तरीके का एक एटमॉस्फेयर होता था जो हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये सब काम करते थे। और सुबह कॉलेज जल्दी आ जाते थे कॉलेज को डेकोरेट करने के लिए।
I invite you all to join our family. Let's learn, explore and grow for ourselves, society and nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.